Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the overheating issues on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. So, as I've seen, users often report that Redmi Note 9 Pro heats up significantly during gaming, and I had this issue and I wanted to find some fixes, and that's how this video is made. At first, I do recommend to take breaks during intensive use, so avoid putting continuous heavy load on the phone for long periods. So for example, if you are playing the PUBG, Genshin Impact, or just scrolling TikTok, or just using some application that's demanding 3D, take breaks every 20-30 minutes, for example for 5 or 10 minutes break. The same applies to the voice calls. For example, after 40 minutes of voice call, take 10 minutes of the break. Of course, this applies to the recording high resolution videos or something like that. Try to stop and predict let the phone cool down. This habits help prevent the excessive heat build up. Apart from that, I do recommend to remove case if your phone is overheating. You should receive a notification on your phone that your phone is overheating right now. So let's take a case. As you can see, I don't have the case on my phone actually now, as you can see. And yes, my phone doesn't have it, but you can take it off. You can, apart from that, limit simultaneous GPS and mobile data use. So if you have here opened, as you can see, to have phone here, but if you had here some Google Maps or other maps like Waze and GPS turned on, location services, mobile data, turn these things off for a moment. So for example, if you are on a trip, try stopping, taking a break on your trip, and scrolling down to control panel and disabling the GPS service and turning off your application. The same applies to the mobile data here. You can connect to Wi-Fi, for example, some other phone that's for example worse, or is just some of your friend. Instead of using 4G or 5G, you can use the Wi-Fi. And as you could see here, I had some background app opened. So as for example, security, file manager, and music. Here, as you can see, I do have 3 applications. You can close all the background applications you have opened now. Let's throw away these applications. As you can see, 153 megabytes cleared. It's very nice to clear sometimes your RAM and cache. Apart from that, you can enable power saving mode, because what it does is decreasing some performance of your device, turning off some modules just to improve the battery life and stop overheating. To do so, you can do it either using your control panel here and prolonging it here and opening battery saver, or go to the settings here, scroll down to the battery here and enabling battery saver. As you can see, from 20 hours we have almost 26 hours. And apart from the battery saver, you can lower the brightness level on your phone and disable the unused modules. So for example, you can scroll down to the control panel back again, lower the brightness level here, disable the automatic brightness level. As I remember, it was the automatic brightness level, yes. And apart from that, you can try to turn off some other modules that are useless right now. So if you are using the Wi-Fi, don't turn off Wi-Fi, of course, but if you are using Bluetooth and not using Bluetooth but you have it enabled, try turning off Bluetooth, turning off the location services, turning off the vibrations to mute, for example, NFC, try disabling NFC, hotspot, etc. Of course, if you are using it, actually, you can stop it using for a moment and it should help you. And apart from that, you can update the software. Of course, it should help you because MIUI can be released like the newer version, which may have the fixes for some bugs that may cause the overheating in your phone. So to do so, at first open settings, and here you have to go to about phone section here. Here you have to tap on your MIUI version. As you can see here, I do have MIUI Global 12.5.6 stable. If you tap that, you can check if you have some updates. If you have, update your phone. It should help you. For example, Google Services bug, which occurs very often, constantly tags the processor. So yeah, that's why we update the software in our phone. And apart from that, we can do some emergency cooling. So if the phone gets very hot, for example above 45 or 50 Celsius or more in the Fahrenheit, and starts slowing down or shows warnings, do some things that I show you now. At first, turn off all the background applications, here 1 and 2, enable the airplane mode here, and turn your phone off for a few minutes. So hold the power button and tap power off and tap to power off. Now it should disable the heat generation modules like the modem, and now it will be cooled down in the shade of the room temperature. Don't put it to the fridge, don't do so, or use extreme cooling methods like water. A few minutes of rest is enough. Once the temperature drops and you can feel it at the back of your phone, here, and here, you can resume using your device. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to motivate us. And yeah, if you have some questions or drawbacks to my video, ask them, tell me them in the comments below. It really helps us to improve videos for you, and yeah, that's how it works. And goodbye.